time to improvise. What's he doing with Buzz? Yes, and ready for a test drive. He didn't. Not Buzz. To infinity and beyond. W, motherfucker.
No! You again? Do you hear any alarms? Thanks for nothing!
I hear black cherries on my menu. Oh, Super 8 glowing triangle. Reclining lotus right angle. Shoulder stand white curb and galley. Reverse cowgirl sphinx hero and hound. Oh, shit, there's more!
Don't you know you can never beat a Powerpuff Girl? Hey! Wanna arm wrestle?
Okay. Thanks, Buttercup.
Ready, Mr. Wabbit?
Yeah, go ahead, Doc. I'm ready.
Before you die, you can make one last wish.
Yeah? Well, let's see now. I wish I wish I wasn't Dixie. Hooray! Hooray! Oh,
Don't let your kids watch it! A lesson that rocks! You're gonna be wearing these size 3s! Don't let your kids watch it!
That was just the appetizer!
Don't you bury that cat in the pet cemetery!
No! You again? Do you hear any alarms? Thanks for nothing!
Well, there's Pluto. I'm gonna pretend I didn't hear that.
Don't let your kids watch
Species couples from the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Do I have a second?
No, you can't legislate law.
Oh, really?
Watch the
Two
videos.
confirmed bachelors who...
I feel like I'm gonna blow chunks of birdseed.
No! You again? Do you hear any alarms? Thanks for nothing! You know how often that thing goes off? I could set my internal clock by it. Wow! An all-robot planet sounds pretty great!